go to your Pinterest app. You don't use Pinterest, you can use Google and just search for background pictures and click on any one that you love. So right now I am going to use this one. I was already here a while ago, but let me show you how I got this. Click on the search bar right down on the Pinterest app, type background, and you have different pictures and backgrounds that you can use. You can scroll and choose whatever you like. It doesn't really have to be, too special. You don't need to stress yourself over it, just a background. So I'm going to scroll right now, and this picture right here, this was the one I used for that edit. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to download the image, and it's already saved to my photos. So right now I'm going to go to my Picsart, and I'm going to click on this plus sign right here, and I'm going to scroll down to where it says freestyle, and I'm going to scroll down to the pictures that I want to use for this edit. So these are the pictures that I use for the ones that I posted on my Instagram, but I'm just going to click on some that I like right now. So I'll pick this, and this. Yeah, so you can use just one if you want to, but I'm using 4, and I'll click on next. The images are here. I'm going to click on background. Use this background, the one that we saved, the one we downloaded. So now I'm going to cut out. When you click on an image, it's going to show you different options that you can use. You can crop, shape, frame, flip/rotate. You can reduce the border. You can add shadows, adjust, effects, cut out, blah. So what we're going to do today, we're going to click on the cut out, and you're going to click on person. So it's going to cut out my image from the background. Now I'm going to save this image, and I'll do the same thing to the rest. So now I'm going to pick a picture, probably this image, and I'm just going to enlarge. I'm going to enlarge that, then flip it over like that, position it wherever I want to. I think I'll leave it right there. So I'll go to blend, and you have different blend effects that you can use. We have multiple: color bond, darken, lighten, screen, overlay, soft light, hard light, difference. So you just pick on whichever you want, and I think I like this overlay. Yeah, so I'm going to use this, but I'm going to enlarge the image even more. So arrange my images where I want them to be. You can just flip this one over and put it right here, and take this, enlarge. Yeah, you can see how nicely it's coming out, and I'm not even done yet. Right after that, I'm going to click on the image, and I'm going to add shadow. The reason why I'm adding shadow is because it gives it like the effects, like it's glued to the background. You can adjust the blur, you can see. Yeah, so I'm gonna add this, then position. You can put it to the right side, to the left side. You can take it up, take it down. So I'm gonna leave it right here, and I'll do the same thing to the rest as well. I'm going to click on next. You're going to click on max, this one right here, max, and you're going to click on that. And you have different options. We have folds are like paper like stuff, so you can see they are all nice and all that. There are some that you can't use because I'm not using the paid version of Picsart. Picsart is absolutely free. You don't need to pay if you don't want to. But there are some effects that you can't use if you're not using the paid, which are the ones that they're like try and stuff. So you don't need to. They are quite nice. If you want to pay, you can pay for it, but you're using the free version because I ain't gonna pay for no app. So you are going to see different options. Click on whichever you like, but I didn't use folds for this. I used the shade, the shadow, and we have lace, we have different types. So I'm just going to look for whichever that I like. This looks nice, but let's keep on going. Yeah, so this was the exact one I used for my photo that I uploaded on Instagram. Click on it and you click on apply and download, and you're done with it. It's that simple and it's that quick. So if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section. Bye, I love you.